One rainy afternoon, little Kathleen bounced into the kitchen. "Mum, can we bake something sweet?" she asked. Mum smiled and tied her apron. "Of course, Kathleen! Let's make chocolate cookies, soft, chewy, and delicious." Kathleen clapped her hands. "Yay! Cookies are the best!" Step 1, gather ingredients. Mum and Kathleen lined up everything on the counter: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, vanilla extract. "Let's measure everything carefully," Mum said. Kathleen held a little measuring cup. "I can do that." Learning point kids practice measuring and counting. Step 2, mix it up. Then Kathleen poured the flour and cocoa into a big bowl. Mum added butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Mix it, stir it round and round. Chocolate cookies soon abound. Chocolate chips go in the mix. Stir it, fold it, a tasty fix. Kathleen carefully added the chocolate chips. "Look, Mum, they look like tiny mountains." Learning point kids learn mixing, folding, and observing textures. Step 3, shape the cookies on. Mum handed Kathleen a spoon. "Let's scoop the dough and make little circles on the tray." Kathleen giggled as some dough stuck to her fingers. "That's okay," Mum laughed. Learning point kids practice fine motor skills and patience. Step 4, bake and wait. Into the oven the cookies went. "Now we wait, Kathleen," Mum said. While waiting, they sang a little song. Cookies baking warm and sweet, soft and chewy, what a treat. One to eat. Kids learn patience and observing changes. Step 5, taste the magic question. Ding, the oven timer rang. Kathleen and Mum carefully took the cookies out. Kathleen blew on the first cookie. It smells amazing." They each took a bite, soft, chocolatey, and perfect. "Yum! We did it, Mum!" Kathleen cheered. Learning point kids learn the joy of creating and tasting. Ending, Kathleen hugged Mum. "Baking cookies is so fun. Can we make them again tomorrow?" Mum laughed. "Of course! Baking is even better with love and laughter." Kathleen smiled. Chocolate